Welcome to TBCS. I'm Tanvir. Today I'm here for explaining, pressure and density. Where there is a big space, there is a less pressure. And where there is a little space, there is a more pressure. The total physics is something to be felt, to be realized. However, giving an example in front of you, the heels of a female sandal, women's sandal can able to hit a ant, a little ant. But a giant leg of elephant cannot able to, kill a ant. Why? Because the elephant legs is spread and big. But female, sandal heels is very confined and particular. So this is the feelings of pressure. Entering an exam hall, you have to activate your all sense and brain. So that's why I tell that please come from 7. After 7 reading and solving many questions, you will be really matured in solving any paper. This is not a one time of reading. This is factual understanding. This is your full maturity. However, this is a question exactly have been taken from the question paper. Because having lack of space, I haven't written all question here. But when you go to the shopping center, you see there are many oil raising machine. With this machine, oil can be raised up. This is also cream, foam raising machine. With this machine, foam can be raised up. Okay, cream, the chocolate cream can be raised up. You are watching that first question. Here pressure, this is a container where the extra pressure is given. This is automated machine. So this pressure has been released here. So this is one vacuum or one volume. This is another volume. So we have got one V, another V. P1, V1, P2, V2. P1, V1, P2, V2. I have written wrong. This is P1, V1 and that will be P2, V2. However, pressure and volume always remain proportional, always remain same. You are watching, this is the volume, right? This is another volume. Here pressure 1000 pascal, 10 kilopascal has been given. Here also volume 270 centimeter given. Watching this, you need to memorize, you need to understand this is volume. Watching this, cubic centimeter means symbol of volume. You need to understand this is volume. Watching this, you need to understand, this is one pressure. So there are 4 elements. One element is absent, that is P2. You have to get the new pressure. In the question that is written, what is the new pressure? So in exam hall, if you new pressure, no. You have to be very tactfully and particular. These 3 elements given. So what is the further element? So exam hall, you cannot become imaginative. You have to be very calculative. And in derived and main formula in physics, in mathematics, there are approximately 300 formula. These 300 formula have to be memorized. So the first solution, putting this among these 4 value, 1, 2, 3 value, 1, 2, 3 value have to be put. I'm not calculating. So you will get the P2, the new pressure. This is the first question. Second question, after releasing this pressure, releasing here, the space increase. Now space increase. So the less collision. The question given in O-level question paper, what will be the new environment? Of course, the pressure will be less pressure. Because I told that when the space is big, in this space the pressure is high because this is little container. But when the container become spacious, the pressure is little. This is question of general knowledge. Third question is very funny. Yesterday I solved this question in the physics class. I become astonished. Really, this question I couldn't solve. Because the third question, when the cream goes out, what will be the appearance of the cream. The cream will be foamy. The answer is foamy. In the answer paper I saw, the answer is foamy. Why the answer is foamy? After being pressurized, when this cream goes out, the cream get another new environment where there are a lot of air. So air has been absorbed because the cream was in a great compressed situation, right? So getting a new situation, this cream turn into the foamy cream. This is the answer. So in exam hall, the things you need, you undoubtedly you shouldn't enter exam hall leaving your general knowledge. You have to be very authenticated, very serious, very person with assumption, creativity, and full of maturity. You have to understand many situations. If you want to give physics exam, all fact and factual of the society, what are being held in our society. Physics, not only a book only. Physics means name of feelings. You have to study from internet, you have to study from Ready Spot, many resources of internet, and you have to raise your maturity. Thank you very much.